Hello children, a very good morning to all. How do you do? Hope you are all fine and safe. Good children, stay home, stay safe. Welcome to grade 2 math class. Today we are going to learn chapter 7 jugs and mugs. In this session we are going to learn about what holds more than what holds less. Are you ready children? See what it is. Yes, this is a jug full of water. See children, now let's pour some water in this glass. Now look at the glass. How it's look like? Yes, this glass is full of water. This glass is full of water. But as we can see, there is some more water in this jug also. Is it children? So we can say that the capacity of the jug is more than the capacity of the glass. Is it children? So I will repeat. So we can say that the capacity of the jug is more than the capacity of the glass. Okay children, shall we move on the next one? See, measurement of capacity. What is mean by capacity? See, substances like water, milk, petrol, oil, etc. are called liquids. See children, the capacity of a container is the quantity of liquid it can hold. The capacity of a container is the quantity of liquid it can hold. Okay children, shall we move on the next one? Children, now we are going to find the vessel which holds more water. Are you ready children? Good. Look at the first one. See, compare these two containers. Which holds more water? Yes, a bucket holds more water. Good children. Look at the next example. Which vessels holds more water? Whether this cup or a plate? Yes, this cup holds more water. Okay children, shall we move on the next one? See, now we are going to arrange the containers in increasing order of their capacities. Okay children, look at the containers. What it is? The first one is a jug, a tap and a bucket. See children, if we compare three containers of the capacity, the jug holds the least amount of water. Is it children? The jug holds only the least amount of water. A bucket holds more than the jug but less than the tap. So in the increasing order of their capacities are jug, bucket and a tap. Okay children, shall we move on to the next one? See, how many jugs and mugs? How many jugs and mugs? See children, just you guess and find out the answer children. How many glasses of milk can a jug hold? How many glasses of milk can a jug hold? See children, this jug can holds around 6 glasses of milk. See children, this jug holds around 6 glasses of milk. Okay children, this experiment you can try it in your home. See, our next example is how many mugs of water can a bucket hold? How many mugs of water can a bucket hold? See children, one mug of water is enough to brush our teeth. Is it children? But it is not enough to take a bath. So we need at least 10 to 12 mugs of water for that. So this bucket holds at least 10 to 12 mugs of water. Okay children. Now we are in activity session. Guess and then find out how many mugs of water fill one bucket. Just you can try it in your home, then find the answer children. Then how many buckets of water do you use to take a bath? Then how many mugs of water do you use to take a bath? Okay children, now we are in homework part. Do the given assignment 1 and then assignment 2 you have to do the first Roman alone in practice book. Refer practice book page number 28 and 29. Okay children, I will meet in the next video. Bye. Thank you.